Hello South Africa. Ramaphosa fires suspended Public Protector Busisiwe Mkhwebane. For the first time in history, the head of a Chapter 9 institution in South Africa has been axed. President Cyril Ramaphosa has officially fired Advocate Busisiwe Mkhwebane. This comes as on Monday, September 11, the National Assembly debated over the Section 194 Committee's report with over 300 members of parliament voting for Mkhwebane to be sacked. As previously reported by the South African, in February 2020, the Democratic Alliance, DA, in Parliament submitted the motion to institute removal proceedings against Mkhwebane, citing a number of scathing court judgments against her, particularly relating to some of her investigations, including the Steiner dairy probe. In March 2021, Parliament voted in support of establishing the committee after adopting a report by a panel of experts, which found there were grounds for an investigation into the Public Protector's fitness to hold office. In August 2023, the Section 194 Committee, chaired by Cyril Ramaphosa, found grounds to sustain charges of misconduct and incompetence against Busisiwe Mkhwebane during her tenure. In a letter to Mkhwebane dated September 12, President Cyril Ramaphosa said, in terms of Section 194(3)(b) of the Constitution, when the National Assembly adopts a resolution for the removal of a public protector, the President must remove the public protector from the office. We pay cash for videos. WhatsApp 060 011 021 1. This is Leah for the South African. Please subscribe for more news updates.